Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to download Visual Studio 2017 from the internet to the Windows PC, and after that I will guide you how to install it. Okay, firstly you go to the visualstudio.com and go to download link, and you select the right version to download. And here I will select the Visual Studio 2017 Enterprise version to set up. Okay, so after that you click on the download button, it will download the setup file to the Windows PC here. So using this one to install it, you have to install it online. However, to save the time, I will use the offline ISO file to install it. It will be the same thing when you install it directly from the internet. Okay, so here click on the setup. And for setting up here, it will take some time to extract the file and install it on the Windows PC. Let's wait. It's loading. Okay, so this one is a dashboard which will load all of the feature of the Visual Studio. So here I will select the ASP.NET and web development feature. Okay, I have to check it in green here, and in the summary I have to select some feature. So here by default it will select some the .NET .NET Core. So here I will install the MVC. I have to select the ASP.NET MVC for something like that here, as you can see on the screen. Here I will also install the .NET Core Growth Platform Development and Visual Studio X10 if you want to install it. Okay, so after that you click on install button to start the installation, and you have to wait until the installation is finished. So normally it will take around 20 minutes to install. So it will install it online. So depending on the network connection, so maybe it will take a very long time. Okay, so you can see here now the installation is done. So actually you have to restart the Windows PC to finish the installation. However, in this video today I will leave it to do it later. Okay, so now I will open the Visual Studio already set up on my PC, and it will take some time for the first time using. Let's wait. Okay, so on this step you can skip to log in with account later, and in this step we have to select the color theme which will be display the layout for Visual Studio. We have three layouts for now, and select the default language. Okay, so now let's wait. And after that, when we are able to open the Visual Studio on this PC, so I will create a new project for testing. Okay, here this one is the new layout for Visual Studio Enterprise 2017, and I'm using the dark layout. And here I will create an example project for testing now. Okay, you can create any project, and after that select the location you want to be saved the file. Okay, select the languages you want to be implement here. Okay, loading for creating the new content. For the solution, okay, cool. So you can see here, for now we have just finished to create new the project by using the Visual Studio 2017 Enterprise version. Okay. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to download the file from internet and install it on the PC. Okay, hope that video will helpful for you. Bye bye.